Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to share Google Calendar. There are many reasons why people want to share a Google Calendar. Here at Android Authority, for example, we all use the same calendar to check upcoming events, see who is on vacation, etc. Families can share one calendar with all doctor appointments, trips, gatherings, and other events in one place. You've come to the right place if you don't know how to share a Google Calendar. The process is so simple, even your grandma could do it. It takes a few clicks and a couple of minutes of your time. Do you want to know how to share a Google Calendar? You'll find everything you need to know in this video. First thing first, you can only share your Google Calendar from a computer or web browser in desktop mode. The Android and iOS apps still don't support this feature. It's a bit of an oversight and something that hopefully eventually changes. For now, there's no real way around this. So first, you need to go to your Google Chrome and visit calendar.google.com. Locate My Calendar section on the left side of the interface and hover the mouse over the calendar you want to share. And then, click the three-dot menu button. Hit Settings. Go to the section that reads Access Permissions for Events and check mark the Make Available to Public option. And then select Get Shareable Link. Hit Copy Link and send to whoever would like. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.